In this video, I will show you how to recover your Exodus wallet. So first of all, open up your Exodus app, and from here, navigate to the tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, click on Settings at the bottom left, or at the middle left actually. And from here, we're going to scroll down, and then we see Restore Wallet above Delete Wallet all the way at the bottom. And once we click on this, we can see that we have three options to restore our wallet. We can do this with a iCloud backup, with a QR code, or with our 12-word secret phrase to restore our wallet. So you can just select the one that you want, and I advise you to save your secret phrase somewhere safe, because this is one of the most important things to always be able to recover your wallet. So I would say use the secret phrase, but you can also use the iCloud or the QR code. So once you click on secret phrase, for example, it will ask you if you have your backup. And if you have it, you can just go ahead and click on this and then click on got it. And it also says stay safe. So let's click on got it. And now you can just start entering your secret phrase. And once you do that, you will be able to restore your wallet. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.